We're gonna try the one wheels out on one of the steeper hills.
Oh, it'll make it up this easy. Going across?
Yeah, let's go up. I wonder how much of that wind the microphone's picking up.
Turn left.
What mode do you have your thing set on?
Huh?
What mode are you running?
Custom. But my aggressiveness is like all the way up.
Why?
It's on like 8. Because if it's low, it won't, it'll beep at me like extremely early. So I just have my aggressiveness up so it won't beep at me.
But that's telling you that you're exceeding the limits.
I was going like 12 miles an hour and it started beeping.
Oh, that was, yeah, that setting is, yeah.
That's why I turned it up.
You're probably right. Let's go all the way left here. That street at the end is really steep. Let's go try that one, and then we'll head home.
Okay. I'm starting to get a little chilly. My hands are getting cold just because these gloves are so thin.
Really?
These are pretty thin. It's just because I'm used to wearing those big.
Do you want to get a heated bra next or what?
What? Nah.
No? Okay.
Could go for a little heated jacket. That's what I'm going to get next year. On those really cold days, I'm going to get a heated jacket.
Did you get over by me? How do you like that one compared to the Pint S?
I think I like this one better.
Well, what do you like about it?
Not as wobbly.
Okay.
Also, the tire feels a lot bigger and more stable.
Yeah.
So much for steep.
This has got a good climb to it, buddy.
Oh, and it's paved.
And
so I don't have
it's
to worry
paved.
about cracks. Your nose is super far down.
Well, don't stop in front of me.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, what are you doing?
I don't know. Beeped at me. It beeped at me.
I bet.
My nose was almost touching the ground, so. That asshole. Asshole.
It's crazy how nice it looks out here, and that wind is just brutal.
I know. What are your thoughts on this house up here?
Which one?
This red one.
You've been in it.
I have?
Yeah.
When?
When you were a baby.
Why?
Because I was using him to do graphic design for a company.
I really like the house, how it looks.
That's a Frank Lloyd Wright.
I think the only best part about that house is just the It's not an indoor garage.
Yeah.
I think that's the only bad part about that house.
It's got a pool.
I know, it is really cool. I really like how
it has a pool.
It does?
Yeah, you swim in it. As a baby.
Well, how would I know that?
Because I just told you.
Before.
You were like a Nirvana photo.
I stopped at Hunter's house last night.
Yeah?
When I went to, when I was riding with Jordan, I stopped at Hunter's.
Was he home?
Yeah. He had to go to Lyft in like 15 minutes after we got there, but we just went and had a good time.
I don't know why I'm so squirrely. I wonder if it's a weight distribution thing.
Maybe. You want to keep going up? And then we'll go back alley.
Oh, the wind through here. Brutal.
Oh, we're not going to cross here? Okay.
Do I look squirrely?
Huh?
Do I look squirrely?
A little bit.
A little?
You're starting to get less squirrely.
No, I am not.
Your looks, I mean, at the beginning you were super
Stop
squirrely.
at this corner. All right. You gotta get the pads turned on. There you go.
Oh, the tire feels super deflated.
Dude, this one's solid.
I know, that's why it's my favorite.
This thing ain't going anywhere. This thing's planted.
I love it. That's why I love the...
Let's check the tire pressure when we get to the house.
For this one?
Yeah.
It feels really low.
Well, I don't know if it's low or high. We don't have any idea.
It feels low. This one's, yeah, super squirrely.
Squirrely bird. Yeah, this one's super easy to ride.
I know, that's why I love it. You're not squirrely at all anymore.
I got a little squirrely bird there. Oh, a little bit there too.
I feel so much higher off the ground on this one too.
You might be. Oh, you don't have it turned on?
Have what?